check back in with Chief Meteorologist John McLaughlin for the latest on our forecast.
Yeah, sure was a beautiful day today. The temperature's climbing all the way up to 70 degrees here in the metro, so take a few more like that. In fact, western Iowa today up into the mid-70s. Now, what can you expect for the morning hours? We'll have a gradual increase in clouds late tonight and especially the morning tomorrow. So we'll start out in pretty good shape in the upper 40s, low 50s by mid-morning, 60 by afternoon time. And afternoon highs will peak right out at about 63, 62 degrees. Clouds, though, through the day, and the afternoon will start to be just a little on the breezy side. And the metro area right now, it's 61 degrees, but the air is quite dry. 27, that's it for the dew point. Southeast winds at about 6. We do have the clouds starting to stream up from the south. Not a real thick cloud cover yet, but we'll watch these clouds continue to spread in through the overnight. You notice there's some light sprinkles down across central Missouri. We could see a sprinkle, but as I showed you, the dew point is very low, so most of what we're getting in this case is simply just moisture in the form of clouds, not enough to really get down to the ground in the way of rain. System out to the west, cold front, that'll bring in breezy conditions from the south, especially western Iowa tomorrow afternoon. But here in the metro, still gusts to about 20, 22 miles an hour. Now let's take you through the timeline. Nothing too dramatic here, but we'll see clouds spreading up during the morning hours. So here we are at about 11 a.m. We'll call it mostly cloudy. Chances of sprinkles pretty low as we head into Thursday, especially late Thursday night, early Friday. Could see some light showers out west, but again, we're dealing with a fairly dry air mass, so don't expect a whole lot in the way of rain if you get it. In fact, a lot of it will simply evaporate. And then overnight Friday into Saturday, again, we'll have some clouds. Weekend, though, looks mainly dry until a little bit later on Sunday. Now, for tomorrow, slightly cooler because of the clouds. Lower to mid-60s over central Iowa. If you head well down to the southwest, that's where our 70-degree readings will go. But it will be breezy tomorrow. Temperatures mid-60s across the entire region, mainly dry, just a sprinkle or two. So forecast for the metro, not as chilly tonight because of the cloud cover. Southeast winds and 47 degrees. Then as we move through the day tomorrow, clouds will move back in again, breezy in the afternoon. For the most part, we're talking 10 to 20, but we could see some gusts up around 22 to 25 during the afternoon, 63 for your high. Now looking ahead to the end of the week, a little chance of rain there Thursday night into Friday. Again, we're talking only 20%, and we're not talking much in the way of actual accumulation. Then weekend temps just slightly cooler, mid to upper 60s. Another chance for a shower, possibly a thunderstorm on Sunday, just 30%. And then slightly cooler next week. We'll call it partly to mostly cloudy with very slim rain chances. Right now less than 10%, so they don't end up on the map.